Today in this video, we'll see how to make high protein oats meal. So for that, take the oats, then take the yogurt, take the protein powder and some water as well. Then put the oats as you require. Then put the yogurt as well. Just put how much you like. Normally I put more yogurt. Then it's time to take out the protein powder. I put one scoop. Then add some water. Then mix it well. And once mixing, it will look like this. And it's very delicious as well. I hope you know how to make high protein oats meal now. Make it and let me know in the comment section. I'll definitely reply you in the comment. Thank you for watching the video.